Well, hey guys, Steven here, Four Oaks Crafts, and in this video I'm going to do a show and tell on an antlered handled fire starter that I made from a kit. So join with me and let's get started. All right, so here is my fire starter that I put together from a kit I purchased from a company called Penn State Industries. This is the same company where I buy my pin kits from, also other wood turning kits that you can buy from them. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. This video is not so much a tutorial video as it is a show and tell, but I do have a written tutorial on how to make this on my website, and I'll leave a link below. The kit runs about $16.95, and it comes with complete instructions on how to put it together. Normally you would turn this handle on a wood lathe, but of course I didn't do that with the Antler. I basically drilled the holes, sanded around the sharp edges, and polished it. As you can see, this is the magnesium rod, and then this is the flint rod mounted on the side of it. It comes with a compass and a lanyard that attaches to the striker, although I don't particularly like this little striker. I'll generally use my the back of my hunting knife to do the striking. It does put out some nice sparks though, and according to Penn State, it does, supposed to be good for 20,000 strikes. Now, I don't know if 20,000 strikes is a good number or standard or not. Maybe some of you guys that are more knowledgeable about this can leave a comment. And just to be clear, I don't claim to be an expert on primitive skills. However, I'm always fascinated to learn about them. I grew up on a 7-acre, I guess you'd call it a homestead, where we gardened, we hunted, fished, we raised beagles, and my dad kept honeybees. So generally learned how to be self-sufficient. I do carry this fire starter with me, in my pack when I go to the woods. I don't do as much overnight camping nowadays like back when I was a Boy Scout leader, where we camped just about every weekend. But I do carry what I call a spend the night in the woods pack. You carry that wherever I go hiking, a day hike, or if I go hunting. And I think every outdoorsman should carry that kind of pack. Maybe I'll do a video on what I take with me. But where I do day hikes and where I hunt, it would be rare, really rare, that I would have to go into what I'd call a full Bear Grylls, survival mode. But there is a high probability that I might have to spend at least one night in the woods. I know it's happened to a couple of my hunting buddies, and it's almost happened to me. So anyway, I've done enough talking in this video. In the next segment, I'll be showing me using the fire starter at my fire pit and building a fire. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.